Today I am going to tell you how to use Quest app. So I have downloaded this app. When you will open this app, it will ask you whether you are a teacher or a student. You will select on teacher. After that, it will ask your mobile number. Yes, when you will add your mobile number, then there will be option to enter OTP. OTP will come on the number which you will enter there. Then you will type OTP and verify the number. Next, this screen will appear. Here you will write your full name. Then you will click on submit. Then it will ask you to select grade in which you teach the student. Here I have selected 7. Suppose I have selected history. Then I will select on next. Now, how will you give homework to your student? You will select any topics from here to here. Suppose I am selecting this one. Many topics are given, but I will select on new quest. When I will select on new quest, there will be option to write enter a new quest name here. Suppose I am teaching the student monkey's trouble. Then I will write next. Here question bank is given. If this question is okay to give from your side, you can give. But here I am going to tell that how can we give our own question to the students. Next, I would like to click on create new question. When I will click on create new questions, you will see this screen. There is option of single correct, multiple correct, true false, one word, subjective. I will click on subjective. Now here is option type your question here, and here you can see add image. So if you wish to add exercise of your book, you can take picture here, or you can select from the gallery. If you have taken a screenshot from the PDF book, you can take that exercise from here also. And if you wish to write question here, you can write here. Suppose I am writing question number 1. Why did grandma agree to keep Tutu as a pet? Now this is the question which I had given. I can add some more question also. And now tag concepts are given. Here you will add any of them. If you if you don't want to select from here, you can add a new concept. Here I can write answer the given question. Okay, now I will click on next, then add. If you wish to add more questions, you will click on add. If you don't want to add more question, you will click on back to quest. So here I am clicking on back to quest. Now you can see on the screen monkey's trouble is there. I will click this link. Now at the bottom you can see here it is written assign. When I will click here assign, here I can select time from when to when I am giving this homework. Okay, so I will click next. Here enter the new group name here. Actually I had not created here any group, that's why it is asking. So I can create here any group. Suppose I am writing class 7. Now share group link, add from contact. So we are not going to add from contact because it is not possible to save the contact of all the students. So we will share this link from by link. When you will share this link, there will be option of WhatsApp Snapwork. So we will click on Snapwork. Here we can select the grade in which, suppose I would like to send in class 7 ABC. So I will select here and I will post it from here. Okay. So thank you very much. One thing I would like to tell, if you wish to create group of your class, here one group is added. Suppose you teach in class 3, so you will go to new group, then you will write class 3, then you will save it. Okay, so in this way you will create your class. Okay, suppose you want to send the group link to the student, so you will open class 3 group, you will go to all student, then you will go to add plus new student, then here is also share the link. So you will click on link and then in the same way you can share it by Snapwork. So thank you very much. I think it's useful to you.